Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable chat requests in the Jodel application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the button at the bottom of the page on the right, and then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left, and then just scroll down a bit and you will see the button enable chat requests. So just click on the white circle, and once it turned orange, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.